So over here you can see that I have a video clip right here, and what you can do with this video clip is you can align it out wherever you want as well. So now I can click and drag around to align it manually, but if you want to go around and perfectly align it to a certain location, then what you can do is you can click on this video right here, and over here on the right hand side on the video tab, you can see that alignment options are here just like this. So I can go around and left align this right here, and I can go around and center align this right here, right align this here, top align, center align, and bottom align as you like. And if I want the video in the exact center, then I can center align it over here just like this from the sides and from the align middle over here from the top and bottom area, as you can see. And that is how you can go around and exactly align out the video clips wherever you want. Let's say, for example, you have this video clip and you have another video clip right here, and you want to align it to the bottom right hand side exactly, then you can go around and say bottom right hand side right here. Similarly, you can go around and select out, let's say this one, this video clip right here, just like this, and you can go around and resize it. And to align it exactly on the center, you just press center out, and you got a perfectly aligned video clips right here. And this is how it seems. And that is how you can work around with the alignment options inside of CapCut's desktop editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.